Hi there, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I'll be making Akra. If you want to see how I make this simple recipe, keep looking. Today for this recipe, these are the ingredients that you will need. 3 cups of finely shredded saltfish. You can do it by hand or in a food processor. To get the salt out of the saltfish, you can soak it for a couple hours in cold water. That helps to get it out, and then shred it after that. 3 cups of white flour. 1.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese. That's my take on it. Trini people don't usually put it, but I do. Half of a big onion chopped, 2 pimento peppers, 1 stalk of green onions, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 Congo pepper finely chopped, and some thyme that will be shredded in it. I'm going to put everything together and I'll show you my next step. I'm going to add all my dry ingredients together now. There goes the flour, the yeast, no, actually that's the parmesan, sorry, the yeast, baking powder, my finely chopped onions, the green onions, my garlic, and the hot peppers. The thyme, you can shred it in like this. Just get the leaves out. And then I'm going to just chop these pimento peppers and put them in. Throw that in also. And then we're just going to be mixing up everything here. Okay, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. I am going to add a tablespoon of salt that I didn't say before, because the saltfish that I'm using is very fresh one that we got in Newfoundland, and it's not as salted as the regular one. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I'm just going to mix everything up like this. Incorporate the saltfish really well into the flour. And then I'm going to add the water here to start putting it together. So it should be like a soft texture when you're kneading it. And as you leave it to sit for a bit, because of the yeast, it will even get softer. This is what it should look like when you finish kneading it together. Nice and soft. See, like this. I'm going to cover it with a damp cloth and let it sit for about an hour or so, and then I'll fry it. By all means, if you're in a rush, you can fry it right away. So the dough is all ready for frying. This is the way it looks. See, it's really puffy. Look at that. And I have my oil heating up here on medium heat. It's enough oil in the pot for deep frying it. So what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of water here. That's to let the mixture comes off my fingers really easy. So I'm going to show you what I do. I put it in there, and it doesn't have to be any special shape. You just take a little bit and you push it off with your tongue into the pot like that. So you let it fry until it gets golden brown. It doesn't take a long time for frying because it's actually really light. Just turn it so both sides will have the same color. Very easy, and the smell that comes from it with all the seasoning in it is so yummy and so fragrant. I have a bowl here with paper towels. That's to help soak up the excessive oil that might be in it. Just put it in there like that. Here it is, Trini style Akra. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.